This caribou mother scans the water for any sign of her missing calf. The herd is moving on. Her instinct to follow them is just too strong. Downriver, the calf is still alive. He has a fighting spirit, but he's exhausted. Mom's nowhere to be seen. As the herd slows down to feed, all a lost calf can do is try to catch up. Female caribou rarely adopt lost or orphaned young. Mom recognizes a familiar bleating. Reunited. You have to grow up quickly in the far north. These ancient roots will soon be ingrained in his memory. His destiny is to endlessly wander this vast American tundra.